Anushka Rathi, and today I'm going to introduce you to a very special book by Scientific Publishers, Principles of Organic Farming by Professor P.L. Maliwal. If you are a student of agriculture, an aspiring researcher, or someone who believes in sustainable farming, then this book is a must-have resource for you. Organic farming is not just about growing crops, it's about nurturing the soil, protecting the environment, and ensuring safe food for everyone. In his preface, the author beautifully explains why the world is shifting from chemical-based farming to organic methods. The book addresses sustainability, health, and the future of farming in the most practical way. This book is written in a very simple and student-friendly manner. Unlike other bulky references books, it is very simple, systematic, and based on ICAR 5th Dean's Committee syllabus. That means it is perfect for undergraduate students of agriculture who want direct, exam-oriented knowledge. Now, let me walk you through all the 11 chapters of this book, each one covering one important aspect of organic farming. Come, let's go! Chapter 1: An Introduction to Organic Farming. From the history of farming to the Green Revolution and the need for sustainable methods. This chapter explains why organic farming is a way forward. Chapter 2: Promotion of Organic Agriculture in India. It discusses how the Indian government and institutions like APEDA and NCOF are supporting organic agriculture and its challenges. Chapter 3: Organic Ecosystems and their concepts. Here you'll understand how soil, plants, water, and living organisms create a self-sustaining ecosystem. Chapter 4: Organic Nutrient Resources and Management. It highlights natural ways to enrich soil using farmyard manure, compost, vermicompost, and green manures. Chapter 5: Insect Pests and Disease Management. This chapter gives eco-friendly pest control strategies using natural enemies and biocontrol agents instead of chemicals. Chapter 6: Weed Management in Organic Farming. Did you know weeds causes nearly 45% crop losses? This chapter explains practical methods like crop rotation, mulching, and biological controls. Chapter 7: Organic Crop Production. It guides students on conversion periods, crop selection, and organic practices to get certified produce. Chapter 8: Certification Process and Standards. Certification is crucial. This chapter explains how farms can get certified organic and meet national standards. Chapter 9: Processing and Labeling of Organic Produce. Once you grow, you also need to process and label properly. This chapter tells you how. Chapter 10: Economic Viability of Organic Farming. Organic farming isn't just eco-friendly, it's profitable too. This chapter explains how farmers sustain themselves economically. Chapter 11: Marketing and Export Potential of Organic Products. With India's organic products getting global demand, this chapter explains and opens the door to opportunities in marketing and exports. Professor P.L. Maliwal, under the ICAR Emeritus Professor Scheme, has compiled this book with clear explanations, diagrams, and flowcharts, making complex topics simple and memorable for students. It's not just a book, it's a guide to passing exams and building a career in agriculture. If you are passionate about farming or studying agriculture, Principles of Organic Farming is your go-to book. You can get your copy from Scientific Publishers. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts for more updates on our best academic books. And subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss our content. Let's take a step towards sustainable agriculture together. Thanks for watching.